Did you know that the meme industry is projected to reach $6.1 billion this year? That's an annual growth rate of 21.6%, 4 times faster than the fashion industry. Just one viral meme can create more impact than a traditional ad campaign. If you're looking to grow your brand, business, or personal audience, you can't afford to ignore meme marketing. Welcome to Profitability Plus. We help you build smart money habits for a better future. Keep on watching because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tap into the power of memes for your own success. 1. Why meme marketing works. Meme marketing is a powerful strategy because it blends humor, relatability, and shareability, making brand messages feel organic rather than forced. Unlike traditional ads, memes naturally fit into social media feeds, encouraging likes, shares, and comments without the resistance often faced by direct advertising. People engage with memes because they're entertaining and relatable. When a brand becomes part of that experience, it feels less like a sales pitch and more like a conversation. This approach helps brands connect with audiences in a way that feels effortless and enjoyable. Memes are also highly adaptable and trend-driven, allowing brands to stay relevant without constantly creating new content from scratch. Since people love sharing content that makes them look funny or in the know, a well-crafted meme can spread quickly, generating massive organic reach. By leveraging pop culture references, witty takes on industry trends, or viral formats, brands can humanize their image, boost engagement, and stand out in a crowded digital space, turning marketing into entertainment rather than an interruption. 2. Big brands are using memes and winning. Big brands are embracing meme marketing, proving that humor is a powerful tool for engagement. From fast food chains to airlines, companies are moving away from traditional ads and leaning into memes because people prefer content that entertains rather than directly sells. By adopting a playful and relatable tone, brands make their marketing feel more like a natural part of social media rather than an interruption. A great example is Wendy's Twitter account, which became famous for its witty roasts of customers and competitors. Their humorous, sarcastic approach transformed their social media presence into a marketing goldmine, keeping their brand top of mind without feeling like an ad. When people share a brand's meme or tweet because it made them laugh, that's meme marketing in action. What's a brand you've seen doing this well? Let us know in the comments. 3. How to use memes for your own brand. Using memes doesn't mean randomly posting jokes. It's about understanding your audience, their humor, and what makes them engage. To create impactful memes, start by knowing your audience. Understand their preferences, sense of humor, and what kind of content resonates with them. A meme that aligns with their interests is more likely to be shared and engaged with. Instead of reinventing the wheel, use trending formats that are already popular. Viral meme templates work because they are widely recognized and easily adaptable, making them more effective than trying to create something entirely new. Relevance is key. Memes should seamlessly connect to your brand, product, or message without feeling forced. An unnatural or overly promotional approach can make the meme feel inauthentic, reducing its impact. Finally, focus on relatability. The best memes evoke reactions like, "That's so me," or "I've been there." When people see themselves in humor, they are more likely to engage, comment, and share. A well-crafted meme not only entertains but also strengthens your brand's connection with its audience. Duolingo, the language learning app, is a master of meme marketing. Their green owl mascot appears in funny, chaotic memes reminding people to complete their lessons. People love it because it's relatable. We've all ignored an app notification at some point. Meme marketing isn't just about jokes. It's about building connections. When done right, memes make people feel like your brand gets them. And when people feel understood, they trust you more. 4th, mistakes to avoid in meme marketing. Not all memes work, and bad ones can actually hurt your brand. Here are common mistakes to avoid. Using an outdated meme can make your content feel forced and out of place, making it clear that you're trying to catch up rather than stay ahead of trends. Similarly, overusing slang in an attempt to sound trendy can backfire, coming across as inauthentic or even cringeworthy. It's important to use language naturally rather than forcing it for the sake of relevance. Additionally, misunderstanding a meme and using it incorrectly can make you appear out of touch, potentially confusing your audience or making your message less effective. Staying updated, using trends appropriately, and ensuring you fully grasp the meaning behind a meme or slang term can help you connect with your audience in a more authentic and engaging way. Remember when brands started using skull emojis to mean, "I'm laughing"? Some companies got it wrong and used it in serious posts. That's a perfect example of not understanding internet culture before jumping in. 5. How to make your memes go. Virality isn't just luck. It's a mix of the right content at the right time. Here's how to increase your chances. Posting consistently is key to improving your meme-making skills, as the more you create, the better you become at crafting engaging content. Engaging with comments is just as important. When you respond to people, they feel more connected to your content, making them more likely to share it. Additionally, leveraging popular trends can significantly boost your reach. If there's a viral meme format making waves, jumping on it quickly can help you stay relevant. Simplicity is also crucial. The most effective memes are those that can be understood in a single glance, making them easy to consume and share. By combining these strategies, you can maximize your impact and grow your audience. Ryanair, the budget airline, became a social media sensation by turning their own flaws into jokes. Their funny, self-aware memes made even unhappy customers laugh. And that's a marketing win. Meme marketing is the future of online engagement. It's low-cost, highly shareable, and perfect for building brand loyalty. The key is to stay relevant, be authentic, and make people laugh. If brands like Wendy's, Duolingo, and Ryanair can do it, so can you. That's it for today. If you're ready to start building your wealth, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss out. Got any money goals or questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Keep going, stay positive, and remember, you're not alone on this journey. This is Profitability Plus, and I'll see you in the next one.